Bosch has once again revolutionized laundry care. With the world's first brushless motor with a highly efficient permanent magnet. For maximum performance, economy and quietness, as well as a remarkably long life. With the first drum with asymmetrical baffles and varied drip structures. Depending on the program, the machine either washes particularly gently or particularly intensively, with 2 different drum movements. The unique geometric design of the glass door moves laundry back to the middle of the drum, thereby optimizing the washing process. Innovative side panels drastically reduce vibrations and noise to a bare minimum. The new selectable program option VarioPerfect provides either extremely economical or extremely fast washing in every program, and always with 100% cleaning performance. And with the stain removal option, 16 different types of stains can be systematically removed. All this and more is found in the new LogiXX VarioPerfect. Doing laundry is now more economical than ever before. The continuously